How's it going, guys, and welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Black Apino the Apple Guy. Today I'm going to be doing some unboxings of two items that I got for my Insta360 One 4K boost. So for those of you that may not know, I used to use GoPros for a lot of videos. Now I no longer use GoPros. I am starting out with something new. This is the Insta360 One RS, the 4K Boost Edition. If you're not familiar with this, I did do an unboxing. I did a test vlog with this specific camera, so I'll drop a link down below for those if you want to take a look at those. So the two accessories that I'm going to be unboxing, one of them is the cold shoe mount for the Insta360. So straight out of the box, the audio is good, but you can always improve on audio, especially if you want to use this in a kind of a vlogging style. Then usually having an external mic really does help improve the audio quality. So that's what this is for. This is just the shoe mount for that. Unfortunately, they are out of the mic adapter, which is the other part of this that I need in order for me to actually kind of test the differences between audio quality from the camera itself versus me using the Rode Wireless Mic Go 2. So I'll have to kind of wait later on for that when they become available. But I do have something else that I'm actually looking forward to trying once weather gets a little bit better, and that is the Insta360 lens. So when you're buying an Insta360, you really can buy it in three ways. I bought mine in the standalone version. This is just a simple 4K boost edition, but you can also buy what is known as the twin pack edition, which comes with this, and it comes with a 360-degree angled lens. And then you can buy what is known as the 1-inch sensor, or the Lycia version, which gives you a 1-inch sensor lens that allows you to shoot at better low light photography and in better low light situations if you want to do low light videos. But I didn't buy those, and I didn't buy the twin edition. I really wanted just to stand alone, just to see how much I liked it, and I loved it so much that I decided to get the 360-degree lens. Now this is very different than from what you can do from the GoPro version, because in order for you to do that with the GoPro, you actually have to buy another GoPro, the GoPro Hero Max, in order to do that. This is just a $300 lens that I can simply just attach to my Insta360, which I'll be showing you how to do that. And again, I'll be doing some test videos with this at a later date once weather kind of permits. It's kind of still gloomy and cloudy outside, so not the really best test conditions, but I'm going to show you how to attach all these to the Insta360s, and then I'll have a link down below if you want to take a look at their websites and take a look at these Insta360s. So we're just going to get into the unboxing of this now. So first up, as you can see, is the cold shoe. This is for the Insta360 One RS. It also works for the older One R if you have the older version. So on the top of the Insta360, you see there's these two indentations right there. That is what you would use to attach said accessories. It also is on the case itself. So if you notice right there, it has the same thing as well, but we're not going to attach it to this. We're just going to attach it directly to the the Insta360 itself. So we're just going to pop this open really quick. So they give you a big box for a tiny thing. So this is it right here. As you can see, just a small cold shoe. And I'm guessing this is the way you press this, and that's how you simply just remove that from the body itself. So you simply just align up these with that, and that's pretty much it. And then that allows you to use any type of wireless mic or even a shotgun mic if you want to attach that to this. Again, in order for you to do that, the device itself doesn't have a input jack for that. You would have to buy the 3.5mm adapter for this, which unfortunately they're all sold out of. So when those become available, then I'll be doing some kind of test audio with using my Rode Wireless mic with this, and then using it without it. So if you've watched my previous videos, especially the one I did with the vlogging, my first vlogging, you'll get kind of a sense of what it sounds like just without the audio, just with the audio from the machine itself. So that's how that works. And then to simply remove it, I guess you just simply just press on that little button, and then you just kind of wiggle it out, which it seems like it's going to be a pain. Oh, there you go. So it does take some getting used to. Again, I doubt seriously if you could break this even if you try, but it will take some getting used to take it out, putting it back on, taking it out. But that's how you would do that with this. And then the same thing would work with the case itself. So this is the case that you get with the Insta360. Again, the same type of connection there. You simply just line it up, and then you just simply once you line them up, you simply just push it down and then it connects. And then you hear the clicking, and then there you go. And then when you want to remove it, again, you simply just press the button and then pull it out. So that's everything for the cold shoe mount. Now we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Insta360 lens. Now this is what gives you the ability to shoot those awesome 360-degree field of view videos that you see that you can do with the GoPro. I don't know if the Osmo Mobile Action, DJI Action can do that, but this is something that you can get for the Insta360. Now again, if you buy it as a standalone on its own, it's $300, but if you buy it in the twin pack edition, it's about $549. So depending on how you buy it, it's still less expensive than doing it the GoPro version way, because the GoPro itself is $600. This saves you about $400 or $300 on its own, even if you were to buy the standalone by itself. So, so I was actually looking at buying one of these actually separate. This is a lens cap. So I was going to buy the Insta360 on its own, and I was going to buy one of these as a separate thing, but I guess you get it with it, so we'll talk about this really quick in a minute. And so here is the lens itself. So as you can see, it is just a simple 360-degree lens, and I'm guessing that when you have this attached to the Insta360, it is a way of protecting the lenses so that they do not get scratched or damaged in any way, especially if you're going to put this inside a carrying case or something where the lenses can be easily scratched. This will protect that from doing that. And as you can see, if you watch my first unboxing of the Insta360, they all have these little indentations right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you actually how to attach this to your Insta360. That way, if you decide to buy it separately, or if you bought the twin pack edition, you want to know how that works, I'll show you how that works. So this is the Insta360. You simply, there's a little button right there on the battery itself, if it'll show it. So right there, you simply just press that. This really depends on how you have your Insta360 set up. You simply just pull that apart, and then here you simply just pull that apart, just like that. That's how that comes apart. This is the 4K boost lens. So as you can see right here, that is what you would use to attach to another lens. And as you can see, the indentation right there, you simply just attach it as so. You want to make sure that they line up, and once they do, you simply just push together, and then right there, that is your battery connector as such. And then once you hear that clicking sound, that's it. And then there you have the 360-degree field of view. Got lens on both sides, and it allows you to do some really cool things. And again, I will be doing some test videos of this once the weather permits, that it gets a little bit better. It's still springtime here in Alaska, so once the weather gets a lot better and it's not as windy, then we'll be doing a lot of cool things. I will probably be adding this to my suction mount that I also bought for my Insta360, and I might be doing some pretty cool 360-degree field of views from my car angle. Like I said before, really wasn't so sure how much I would like this, but every time I watch videos on this, it looks really cool from what I've seen. So stay tuned for that video.